Everybody knows time is money, so I'm going to give you 2 minutes of my time so you can make money. Okay, so what is the paperwork close and how can we use the paperwork close to increase our sales? Listen, a lot of times salespeople do not know how to ask for the final close, to ask for the order, to ask their clients for them to buy. And what you do is use a certain close. There are a lot of closes, and one of my favorite ones, is the paperwork close. And essentially what it is at the end of the presentation, after your pitch, after you find out that your client likes the product, wants the product, understands it, and can use it, you ask them, okay, in whose name should I proceed the agreement to, you or your wife's? See, what you are doing here is you're giving them an alternative close, if you will, but you're asking in whose name it will be. And it's an extra trigger that they're buying it for their wife or why they're buying it for themselves. Do you feel me? Now, this close can be used very well with other closes as well. What I'm going to do, if you want to know scientific, like actual closes proved by science, okay? I'm gonna leave a video linked right up here in the card and the description down below. Check that video out and just keep in your mind, just keep it in your intention that you can use this close in combinations with other closes or objections. So make sure you check some out in this card right here and in the description down below. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. And until next time, keep succeeding.